What is no business being pumpkin spice? Some people have been told me anything edible. I'm actually not a big fan of pumpkin spice. What about you? Plus, is yawning too hard? It could kill you? Something came out recently about that. I know I've yawned so hard that I have the shakes, but killing me? I don't know. Make sure you listen to me a little bit later on this afternoon on Big 93.9. Yeah, listen to us on the iHeartRadio app. We got your random fact of the day, your feel good story of the day, and taking your request for the all request hour on the drive home at 5 o'clock. So use the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app, okay? Thanks a lot for making us your number one preset on the iHeartRadio app. We're Big 93.9.